who do we have here today?
Corey!
Corey, what are we doing?
I am jumping out of an airplane.
Skydiving with strangers?
Yes.
Whose idea was this, yours?
Mine and mine alone.
So, we celebrating something today? Checking it off the list? What are we doing?
It's actually my third time going.
Yeah?
I just wanted to do it by myself.
We're gonna go have some fun.
Yeah.
If we don't make it to your next birthday, any last words, final comments, confessions before we go?
I love my dog.
Same for me. It's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock and sky to have some fun. High five. Here we go.
Thank you.
All right, you ready for this?
I am.
Round 3?
Yes.
Excited, scared, nervous?
I was a little nervous when I pulled up, but I think
We're gonna have some fun. Let's see those mountains. Here we go. Woo! Round 4, right?
Yes!
Yeah, pull that right one down. Let's spin this thing. Let that left one up. Smile. Yeah! Hands up. Good. Pull left one hard all the way down. Nice. A little more left towards the runway.
Yeah? I wasn't nervous, hardly at all.
Next time I'll let you open the parachute if you ask me.
Sweet!
Yeah. What was your favorite part?
Probably the jumping. Oh, no, wait, the spinning.
You like that spinning under the parachute. Yeah, it's fun. Good job, Colorado Springs. This could be you. Woo!